Hi, I'm Dr. Praveena from Kerala. Today we are going to discuss about heart failure. Is there any treatment for heart failure patients? Whether we can get back our lowered heart pumping, otherwise ejection fraction, LV dysfunction, all these are the terms we get for low pumping, right? Patient who is going to heart failure, there is previous history for them, dilation of the heart, that may be dilated cardiomyopathy. In between, the patient's heartbeat will be more, palpitation we can see. Then hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, the thickness of IVS and VPW in asymmetrical way, it may be thickened. Then there is a chance of heart attack. Because of the heart attack, the patient go for heart failure. The valvular dysfunction, valvular stenosis or regurgitation may lead to the dilation of the heart. That also may lead to heart failure. The PAH patient, the right heart failure may lead to left heart failure. So biventricular failure we can see. All these things, there is no treatment for increasing the pumping or ejection fraction on the patient. So then the patients are in dilemma what to do. So you can approach me that time. I treated so many patients with heart failure in a very good positive and good result. You will get the result in echo. Even some patients get the ECG also. Those whose conduction is affected, even some patients get result in that level also. But at least you can expect good echo, good improvement in ejection fraction. Normally patients come to me in 18-20% heart function. I just want to tell you, if you get the heart attack, if it is coming to 40-35 itself, if you come to me, the time period of treatment will be very less for you. You will be come to normal life. But if you wait for 2-3 heart failures and come with 18-15% of heart function, it is very difficult for me to get it back to the normal, or it will take so much time. Some patients come after 3 years, 4 years, that also we cannot get 100% result. Those who come very recently, after within 6 months or 1 year and all, they are getting the tremendous result even in the ECG. So those who are in dilemma, those who are depressed, where to go, what to do, only depending on the allopathy treatment by taking diuretics and laying in home or restricting their life movements, all that, you can approach me. Mainly you can see my website, Ayurheart website. You can come to me. I always say this is light to the people who is facing heart failure. That means less ejection fraction, both biventricular failure also I take and I get the treatment. Even if you go through my website, you can get some of the patients echo report I posted. There is lot of patients echo reports. I don't want to post everybody. Those who gave me 10 years back I started this treatment. Till now the patients are living with 100% okay. They are making their own livelihood. They are looking after their parents and kids. Even small kids also. I'll take up the case below 50 or 55 years only. I don't take the older people for heart failure. There will be result, but if they have symptoms. Otherwise, I love to treat for such young people because I want they live the better life than what they did in the previous years. My treatment is purely Ayurvedic, but I'll tell the patient to continue their allopathy medication along with that what doctor has prescribed, because without diuretics I cannot manage the patient. So along with that I'll give my Ayurveda treatment. That means only kashayas. I give some of kashayas and I give weekly once toileting tablet. There is no food restrictions, nothing. The patient should be very happy. Only that is the way of treatment. There is no restriction, but there is restriction on the movements. Okay, those who have heart failure, if they walk lot and if they take weight, if they climb the stairs, that lead to dilations. I always advise them to be restricted in their movements on first 45 days of my treatment. First 45 days I'll give the treatment and then I'll tell them to take echo, ECG, USG and blood reports. According to the symptomatic improvement, some of the patients get even in echo, ECG also. If the recent patients, that means just before 6 months or 1 year they got the heart failure, then their heart function is low, then it is 40, 35, 45 and all. They will get tremendous result very early itself. So according to that, I'll tell them to continue the treatment. For them it may not take 1 year and all, but those who are very old patients with heart failure and their heart function is low, they'll take some more time. That after 1 year, one course, 45 days course of medication, I'll tell them. Then only I'll continue the first course. I want to check up the patient whether he could able to get the improvement, how much he is improved by the treatment. According to that, I plan the treatment. So I'm welcoming everybody, those who are on depression or those who don't have way to what to do, they can approach me in my WhatsApp, and you can send all your echo, ECG, blood reports, then USG reports. I can find out their problem. I can get back to you with reasonable answers. Okay, thank you.
ഈ രോഗത്തെക്കുറിച്ചും രോഗചികിത്സയെക്കുറിച്ചും ആധികാരികമായിട്ടുള്ള അറിവ് ഇനിയും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി ദയവായി ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, കൂടെ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ കൂടി അമർത്തുക.